Need Logan's help. Call him for a second, see if you come by.
Yo.
I need your help picking up something heavy. Shouldn't take long.
Yeah, I'll be up there. Give me like 20 minutes. I'm leaving work now. All right, that's it.
All right, I'll see you in a minute.
5 hours later.
Welcome back to the channel. We got the People's Champ, Old Dusty Nugget. We actually had a subscriber, a follower, tell us we should name it the Rusty Nugget. Shout out to Blake, which is pretty rusty, so I don't know. I'll let you guys decide. Comment if you guys want it to be called Dusty Nugget or Rusty Nugget. Rusty Nugget seems pretty good, but we got it in here. We're tearing it down. First video for the 770 budget build. Old Dusty Rusty Nugget, whatever you want to call it. Today we're going to pull the engine out of it. We're going to try and tear the engine down. See how far we get tonight. We may just get the engine out and go from there. But get the engine out because you guys watched the first video of this mini series. It does have blown head gaskets. So we're pulling the engine. I'm not going to risk. One, I don't have a lift in the new shop yet, so I'm not lifting the cab. But if you guys know, in these older trucks, start getting up there in miles, injectors like to stick in the valve covers, and I am not fighting them in the engine bay. Not happening. So just gonna pull the engine. It's super simple, super easy. And I was going to pull the trans out and build it, and but I want to get it back together and take it to the drag strip, bone stock for you guys. Didn't want to take it to the track with the blown head gaskets and lube up the track and shut the track down. So we're gonna get the engine all right, get everything sealed. We got a couple leaks, power steering we just knew was leaking. So get everything 100% before we take it to the track, and we're gonna run it on a bone stock file. We're gonna put it on a Tune 5 file, max effort stock trans file, show you guys what it does before we start doing all the upgrades to the truck. So this video now, we're pretty much gonna tear it all down, probably put you guys on time lapse, show you guys if we come across anything. And I got one question though. Since the exhaust is hacked up on this thing, and we got to put a new exhaust on it, comment if we should do a full exhaust or we should hood stack it. I'm thinking we hood stack it, and Logan doesn't think we should hood stack it.
I don't think we should hood stack it with a stock turbo.
But I'm
gonna
let you guys.
Sound good.
This is the people's truck, so you guys comment what you think we should do: hood stack or full exhaust. If we do a full exhaust, it's going to be a 4-inch. But if we hood stack it, I was going to try and weigh out the options. What's the cheapest? But after looking up hood stacks online, hood stacks actually more expensive for this truck unless someone has a used one. If one of you guys got a used one, I will take it. But let you guys vote on that. Comment below. Put you guys on a time lapse. Let's get this thing torn down. Nuggets engine is out, guys. Me and Logan knocked this thing out super quick. Based on the time lapse, from the moment we started, we had everything done, pulled out in 2 hours. Less than 2 hours, actually. Not bad at all. But teardown begins this morning. We're going to get all the accessories off, get the heads off, send them out to the machine shop. Hopefully everything goes smooth. The reason we pulled the engine, guys, is because these trucks start getting up their miles, age, especially in the rust belt. The injectors tend to get stuck in the valve covers, and I am not fighting that in the truck. I fight it enough with cabs up all the time. I could not imagine doing it in a cab. That would absolutely suck. So got it pulled out and get us a nice working area because I do not have a 2-post in here just yet to lift the cab. But got it out super easy, 2 hours. That's it. So got a couple things we got to address in here. That is definitely coming out. That looks like crap. We'd have to do a new power steering box, steering pump. They are both leaking. We will talk about what brand we're going with in the next video, probably. Looking at trans lines, we're probably okay with trans lines. I do have a set on the shelf, but again, guys, this is a full budget build. So I'm trying to stay as cheap as possible. 2 engine mount bolts broke, not a big deal. This engine mount was cooked. So it is a good thing that we pulled the engine because I don't like fighting mounts. They're just a pain in the butt to do with the engine in the truck. Not a huge deal, but nice to do it with the engine out. So yeah, that pretty much covers that. We may run lines straight from the fast to the CP3 and get rid of the hard line. We'll have to check back on that. Really, this comes down to budget. It's pretty cheap to do that with just 1/2-inch hose and 3/8 return, but let's see what our budget has for us, guys, because we don't want to go too crazy with the truck at all. However, we got one thing that we want to ask you guys, like I said earlier in the video, is exhaust setup. This exhaust setup is terrible, guys. So we got to figure out, this is on you guys. You guys got to decide. Comment below. Are we hood stacking the old dusty, rusty Nugget, or are we doing a full exhaust on it? That is up to you guys. Whichever option has the most comments is the option we're going to go, guys. This is the people's truck. So you guys decide. I've never had a hood stack truck. I've always kind of like hated it, especially on stock trucks. So, hey, if we put a hood stack on this, it is what it is. It honestly might not be too bad, but who knows. So you guys comment below about that, and we'll figure that out. But then we'll put you guys on a quick time lapse, get us tearing this thing down. I think Logan's actually on his way up, so that will help out. We get 2 guys on this thing. Let's get this thing torn down, guys, and close this video out. Why we pulled the engine out, because I figured one injector would get stuck. Of course, it is one on the driver's side. Everything else came off smooth. We only broke one manifold bolt. Driver's side manifold, not a big deal. I have a used one, but yeah, we got one stuck injector. So we're going to try this method, and hopefully it comes out. If not, we're going to be breaking the valve cover to get the head off. So let's try this out. Got a piece of like an old injector line, little piece welded to it. I'm gonna tighten that up. Guess it's worth something to go to the gym every day. Logan got it out.
Success.
Let me see that thing. Cooked.
Crusty.
We'll pull the valve cover off this head off. There you have it. Dusty Nugget's engine is fully torn down. Everything looks pretty good in there. Cylinder walls look good. Cool in this back cylinder, but that's not a big deal. I'll vacuum all this out, vacuum the mouse nest out of the valley. It's wild that mice like this area on Duramax, but we'll get all that cleaned out. Driver's side looks really good. All the pistons look good. I think it has an oil pan leak. Not a big deal. Not really worried about that. Possibly a rear main seal leak. Yep, so fix that as well. Engine mount over here because the tire bushing is gone. Wrap this harness up. I don't like bare wires being shown. Everything came out smooth, guys, besides that one injector. But like I said, replace the power steering box and pump. Engine mounts, gotta get the bolts out of those. And then we gotta figure out exhaust, guys. Hood stack or full exhaust. You guys gotta let me know that. The truck is a budget build, so told you guys, budget build. We're running on pennies over here. So let me know if we're doing hood stack or full exhaust is the people's truck. Comment below what we're doing. It's crazy that a hood stack is more expensive than a full exhaust, but if any one of you guys have something used, let me know. I will put batteries in you. Relax. I don't have any money right now. We got a budget build to build. But in the next video, we are going to do head gaskets and I'll get the engine all back together. That one injector that was stuck, when we pulled it out, we actually dropped it on the nozzle and kind of damaged it a little bit. So I don't know what my plan is. I may just go full budget and actually put nozzles on those bodies. But every time I say budget, the smoke detector thing, just gotta figure out what I'm gonna do there. If you guys have or know anyone with extra G 100% to 200% injectors for a good price, let me know. I am not going to pay retail for used injectors. So if it's a good deal, they got a flow sheet, all that, I will probably buy them. Much rather do that than put nozzles on these old injectors. I just don't know anything about them, and I don't really want to damage an engine because of that and being super cheap. Did it years ago, but this is also 8 years ago. Injectors were a lot healthier back then on the truck I did it on, and had way less miles. This has like 220, 230 or something on it. It's just, I don't know if I want to do that to this truck. So, but guys, if you haven't, please like, please subscribe. Comment what you guys think I should do to the exhaust, hood stack, or full exhaust. If you guys know anyone with any used parts, as far as performance parts go, as far as injectors, dual pump kit, 10 or 12 mil pump, and if you guys got a hood stack or whatever, let me know. Truly budget build. Everything's probably going to be either used. If we do have anything new, we will let you know. Every video we do, we will have a breakdown of how much money we have in the truck right now. As of the truck sits right now, we have $3,000 in it and some labor. That is it. Anything that we purchase for the truck will all be broken down to show you guys what we have into this truck. So when we start doing the head gasket in the next video, all the pricing will be up in the video. So everything we purchase, everything will be broken down, show you guys what everything costed. It sucks. This is just a basic maintenance item for LOI, so it sucks we got to add into the budget, but if you have LOI, you're gonna have to do this regardless. So yeah, that'll pretty much wrap up the teardown video, guys. Please stay tuned to this playlist or this mini series of Dusty Nugget or Rusty Nugget, whatever you guys want to call it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.